Use a razor blade scraper on wet bathroom surfaces to remove paint, sticker residue, or soap scum safely and effectively. Always soak the area with warm water or a mild detergent solution to loosen debris before you touch the blade, keeping the surface lubricated during the entire scrape to reduce scratching. Hold the scraper at a very shallow angle, about 10 to 20 degrees, so the blade glances across the surface instead of digging in. And move with slow, controlled strokes rather than fast jerks. Install a fresh blade for clean cuts and to avoid tugging. Dull blades require more force and increase the chance of slips and scratches. Apply only light pressure and stop immediately if you feel any catching or resistance. Tilt the tool more and re-wet the area if needed. Work with your free hand positioned away from the blade path and consider wearing thin, cut-resistant gloves designed for handling sharp tools to protect your fingers. After each pass, wipe the surface and inspect for micro scratches, repeating the soak and scrape with a fresh blade if necessary, rather than increasing force. Common issues include gouging or scratching glass and tile from too steep an angle or excessive pressure, and the fix is to lower the angle, use a fresh blade, and keep the surface wet. Another problem is slipping and cutting yourself when prying under stubborn residue. So stop, re-wet, switch to a new blade, and use a plastic scraper or soak longer if it still resists. A third concern is rust or residue transfer from old blades onto surfaces. Prevent that by replacing blades frequently, storing blades dry and covered, and wiping surfaces promptly after scraping. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors and compares service options near you so we can plan safe bathroom work. We also connect contractors with homeowners and host a discussion community where we share tips and real experiences to help everyone work smarter.